I often playfully describe conviction as being guilty of believing. Convictions are more than opinions, they are essentials. They give us the strength to overcome doubt and uncertainty. They empower us to venture out of our comfort zone and grow. But convictions are not reasonable. Convictions can blindside us. Sometimes having a conviction can feel like being at a hard rock concert. We know this friend, waving his head and jumping all around, singing the wrong lyrics. We can try as much as we want to tell him. He just can't hear us. What if we are this friend? What if our convictions blind us from a better alternative? As author and founder of Women in Technology, India Anurjita Kumar said, keep testing your conviction from time to time with your intellect as well as emotion to ensure you are on the right path. So from time to time, check your convictions and ask yourself, what is this conviction built upon? And what would it take for me to change my mind? If you're ready to capitalize on your performance, now is the time to act. Send me a message and let's chat.